Good morning, students. Today we start our new chapter, chapter 3, Subtraction. What is the name of your third chapter? Subtraction. In subtraction, our first topic, subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. In this topic, our first we do without regrouping. Without regrouping. So subtract 112 from 725. 725. So first we arrange the numbers vertically, 100 tens, ones. 725, 112. Now first step, subtract ones. First we have to subtract the ones place digits. Means 5 ones minus 2 ones. So when we subtract 2 from 5, we get number 3. Number 3. So our answer is 3 ones. Next step 2. Subtract tens. Subtract tens. 2 tens minus 1 ten equals to 1 ten. 2 tens minus 1 ten equals to 1 ten. When we subtract 1 from 2, we get number 1. So our answer is 110. Last step 3, subtract hundreds. So 700 minus 100, our answer is 6. When we subtract 1 from 7, our answer is 6. Our answer is 6. So we write here 6 hundreds. Now 725 minus 112 equals to, what's our answer? 613. Again, I'll write here second question. Subtract 2, 3, 4 from 9706. Subtract 234 from 976. Again, arrange the number in vertical column. 100 tens, ones, 976 minus 234. Again we are doing this, solve this sum in steps. So our first step subtract ones. First step is subtract ones. Means 6 minus 4 equals to, so 6 minus 4 equals to 2. When we subtract 4 from 6, we get 2. So 6 ones minus 4 ones equals to 2 ones. Next step, subtract tens. Subtract tens. So 7 10 minus 3 tens equals to 4 tens. When we subtract 3 from 7, our answer is 4. So 7 tens minus 3 tens equals to 4 tens. Now third step, subtract hundreds. Subtract hundreds means 900 minus 200. So when we subtract 2 from 9, our answer is 7. Okay? So 900 minus 200 equals to 700. So finally 976 minus 234 equals to 742. So difference of 976 and 234 is 742. And in first question, so we subtract 112 from 725. So first we arrange the number in vertical column. First step, subtract ones, means 5 ones minus 2 ones equals to 3 ones. Next step, subtract tens. Subtract tens. So 2 tens minus 1 ten equals to 1 ten. Next step, subtract hundreds. So 700 minus 100 equals to 600. So 725 minus 112 equals to 613. And in second question, subtract 234 from 976. First we arrange the numbers vertically. Subtract ones. First step, subtract ones. So 6 ones minus 4 ones equals to 2 ones. Second step, 710 minus 310 equals to 4 tens. Last step, subtract hundreds. So 900 minus 200 equals to 700. So 976 minus 234 equals to 742. Okay, write down this in your notebook in a neat and clean writing. Now, without regrouping, without regrouping, our next topic is subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. In regrouping, we borrow 1 if our number is less than second number. So for example, subtract 348 from 577. So again, arrange number vertically, 100 tens, ones, 577, 348. So this is our question. First we have to arrange numbers vertically. Now step 1, subtract subtract ones. Here's 7 ones minus 8 ones. So 7 is less than 8. 7 is less than 8. So borrow 1 from the tens column. So borrow 1 from the tens column. One ten from the tens column. Now 17 minus 8. So 1, 7 plus 10 equals to 110. So 7 plus 10 equals to 17. Okay. Now 17 minus 8. 7 is less than 8, so we can borrow 110 from the tens column. So 17 minus 8 equals to 9. So our answer is 9 ones. Now step 2, subtract tens. Subtract tens. So 110 is borrowed by the 7 ones. So 7 minus 1 equals to 7 minus 1 equals to 6. So 6, 110 borrowed by the tens column by ones. So I minus 7 minus 1. So our answer is 6. So 610 minus 410 equals to 2 tens. Our answer is 2 tens. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Next step, subtract 100. Subtract 100. 5 minus 3 equals to 2 hundreds. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So 577 minus 348 equals to 229. So this is our answer. When we subtract 348 from 577, our answer is 229. In big regrouping, again we solve the sum in a step. Our first step is subtract ones. So 7 minus 1. Here's 7 is less than 8. So 7 is less than 8. So borrowed 110 from the tens column. So 7 plus 10. 7 plus 10 equals to 17. I'll write it here, column. Okay? So 7 is less than 8. So 7 borrow 110 from the tens column. So 7 plus 10 equals to 17. Now the 17 ones minus 8 ones equals to 9 ones. When we subtract 8 from 17, our answer is 9 ones. Now next step, subtract tens. 1 10 is borrowed by the ones, 7 ones. So 7 minus 1 equals to 6. So 6 10 minus 4 10 equals to 2 tens. 6 tens minus 4 tens equals to 2 tens. Last step, subtract hundreds. Subtract hundreds. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So finally 577 minus 348 equals to 229. Okay, write down this in your notebook in a neat and clean writing. Good morning student. Today we start our new chapter. Chapter 3. Chapter name Subtraction. In subtraction, our first topic, subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers. So in 4-digit number, first is without regrouping. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers is done in the same way as it is done in the case of 3-digit number. We solve 4-digit number subtraction just as 3-digit numbers. Okay? First, for example, subtract 3125 from 5438. Okay? So first we arrange number vertically, 1000, 100, tens, ones. In 4-digit number, our first digit represent the place of 1000, second 100, third tens, and last ones. So first we make a vertically column, 5438 minus 3125. Now, so what we have to do? First, we subtract the ones, the digit at the ones place. So step 1, subtract ones. First step, subtract ones, means 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Now next step, subtract tens. Step 2, subtract tens. Subtract tens means 3 minus 2, 1. 3 tens minus 2 tens equals to 1 ten. Okay? Once after subtracting ones, tens, our next step, subtract 100. Step 3, subtract 100. Okay, means 4 minus 1, 3. When we subtract 1 from 4, we get number 3. means 4 minus 1 equals to 300. So after 100,000, so 5 minus 3 is step number 4. Step number 4, subtract the number at the thousand place. Subtract 1000 means 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 3 equals to 2000. So finally 5438 minus 3125 equals to 2330. This is the answer. Okay, so this is your 4-digit number subtraction without regrouping. This is your 4-digit number without regrouping. In without regrouping, first step, subtract ones, mean 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 equals to 3 ones. 3 tens minus 2 tens equals to 1 10. Next step, subtract 100. 4 minus 1 equals to 300. So 400 minus 100 equals to 300. Ones, tens, 100. So our next step, subtract 1000. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2000. Finally our answer, 5438 minus 3125 equals to 2330. Okay, we subtract 4-digit numbers in the same way as usual. You doing 3-digit number subtraction in class 2. Okay, write down this in your notebook. Now, our next topic is with regrouping. With regrouping. So, in with regrouping, our question number is subtract 2416. 2416 from 6325. So first we arrange the numbers vertically column. In vertically column 1000, 100, tens, ones. So 6325 minus 2416. So we subtract it in steps. First step, subtract ones. Subtract ones means 5 minus 6. So 5 is small than 6. So we borrow 110 from the tens column. 110 from the tens column. So 5 plus 110 equals to 15 ones. 15 ones. When 5 borrow 110 from the tens column, so 5 plus 10 equals to 15 ones. Now 15 minus 6 equals to 9. So our answer is 9 ones. Next step, subtract ones. Our next step is subtract tens. So in next step, 110 was borrowed. So here only 110 is left. So 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So our answer is 0, 10. Next is the third step, subtract 100. We done the subtraction of 1's place digit, then 10's place digit. Now we subtract the digit at the 100 place. So 3 minus 4. So 4 is greater than 3. So we borrow 1000 from the 1000 column. Now 10 plus 3 equals to 1300. Now after adding 10 plus 3, our next step, 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4. So when we subtract from 4 from 13, we get number 9. So our answer is 900. Okay? So alright, our next step, 1000. Now we subtract the thousands. 1000 is borrowed by the 100. Now here only 5 is left. Means 5 minus 2. 5000 minus 2000 equals to 3000. So 6325 minus 2416. Our answer is 3909. Okay? If this digit is less than second digit, so we have to borrow from the next column. If one's digit is less, so we have to borrow 110 from the tens column. If the tens digit is small, then we have to borrow from 100. Okay? This is the way with regrouping. Write down this in your notebook.